Here we are in our garage build, and we are going to install this attic ladder by Louisville. It's going up here so we can get up without all the ladders that we've been using. The rough opening needs to be 22.5 by 54 inches. So we are going to cut some support for it to fit it in. So we're measuring 22.5, and we need 2 of those. Yep, 22.5 by 8 inches. So we are making the rough opening go right up in there. So before you leave in the comments that a 2x8 is not 8 inches, you are right. It is 7 1/4 or 7 1/4. Another way to say it. So we're going 7 1/4 and 22.5 inches, and we are cutting 2 of those. We didn't bring out the chop saw today, so that's why we are using the skill saw. But a chop saw works just as well.
Just marking into that just for an estimate.
We're gonna put our supports in first before we cut our hole.
It's always good to have your tape measure and a pencil. So are you taking the business end or measuring it? It would be easier to mark.
That'd be easy enough. Yeah. Use it 54
exactly. Let's measure from the inside too, just to see what that looks like. Like up high, I mean. Okay, you got 54 there. Let's go up all the way up. Let's get up there, and then we'll see how straight that line is, because I'm not sure how straight we got that. Do you want it?
Alright, which are you doing, the top or bottom?
Yes, I'm doing the top.
Okay. Yep.
You have your tape measure?
Nope.
Always have your tape measure.
I don't always have my tape measure. I usually keep it in my back pocket, but my pants are a little tight. I have just a tad over 54. 54 and, can't read, I don't have my reading glasses on. 3/8.
So it's more than a quarter?
That was 1/8.
Okay.
That was 1/8 of that centimeter. Too dark.
Okay, so they're the same, so that's good. Okay.
So he's drilling a hole along the line, and then from above, see the holes. So we're up in the attic. It's a little dark up in here, so finding our lines.
Okay, we're gonna get the light.
And I'm gonna go get a light. So we cut out the hole. And what are you putting up, hon?
Putting up a support to hold the ladder. When we push it, put it up in place.
Okie doke.
Landing space 60.
So far, we put the ladder up in, and we've shimmed the ends to keep it flat flat in, and then now we're shimmed at the holes provided, and we're going to drill the holes through it.
Yep, that's what we should do. Did pretty good. Look at this.
So let's open and close it a few times. Sure it.
It's open.
Perfect.
Okay, so now what?
Well, so remember how we moved this corner? I think we have to
Remember how
move
we moved this corner?
this side of this support.
Huh? That looks fine.
I think we gotta move it a little more. There's quite a bit of space in this corner.
How do you feel about that?
Yeah, that's a lot better. So we only need to put washers in these two. Those ones are probably that thing there.
I don't know how we're gonna do those. Probably just need to get a wrench.
Did you already drill that one?
You don't have to go super deep, just get through. Yeah, pull the trigger, just pull it, go for it. Open down here. Wait.
Yeah, you gotta hold.
Yeah, I'm just moving my finger.
Got it?
Yeah. I'm so distracted about my finger. Perfect. We're gonna have to be careful about not pulling that cover off this thing though. It's not very right.
Right.
So
Now we need to measure the ceiling height because we are going to adjust the ladder to the correct height.
100 inches.
100
But I
inches.
knew that already.
All right. Now you get to remove the special plastic doohickey. So you said 100 inches,
100 inches.
8 feet 4
Well,
inches.
am I gonna know where line C is?
I don't know. Where is line C? So 8 feet 3 inches, 8 feet 4 inches to 6 inches, all are line C. Actually, 7 feet 10 inches is also line C. So we are right in the middle of cutting at line C.
So line C.
You see,
100%.
100% line C.
So I'm gonna cut it.
Yeah,
Final.
I'm double checking.
So read that again.
So line C is 7 feet, 10 inches to all the way up to 8 feet 6 inches.
8 feet 6, and we're at 8 feet 4. What's the range for the next one?
8, 7, 8, 8 is an angle cut at step 2. We lucked out, we don't have to do an angle cut. You're gonna do a straight cut, line C.
I'm cutting this shit.
All right. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.